Hi traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you market structure. In this market structure, we'll understand the basics, where the market needs to retest, will it retest on breaker block, will it retest on fair value gap, or will it retest on another block. These are the only three things you can find when being on the chart. Either you find your breaker block, you find your fair value gap, and you find your other block. But mostly I do trade fair value gap and other block. That's what usually works for me most of the times. Not that breaker block doesn't work for me at times, it's just that I don't love trading breaker blocks due to my backtest and the way I trade. But if I also see a setup with a confirmation of on breaker block, I can also take the trade, because on my journal I journal everything. The only thing which can make me take a trade when it's on a breaker block, I have to see another block there. I'll show you guys everything. First of all, let's move on to the chart. This is an uptrend. Okay, we're going higher highs, higher low, higher high, and what? Why I draw right here now? Okay, let me go deeper a little bit. This is a break of structure. This is also a break of structure. And this is a market structure shift. This is a market structure shift. You can't see the market going a series of higher highs, going something like this: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and come and break the last uh price that push price to the upper part. You can't call that a continuation trend. Instead, the market has changed structure. The only thing you just look for right now is a buy setup. Once the market has break, you look for a buy setup to here, because there must be another block there. And once the market is here, what will you do? You're expecting the market to sell. Okay, we'll all look that on the chart very soon. But right here, as you can see, this my break of structure. Oh, sorry. What's wrong? Why is it upside down? No, I'll reset this later. Let's head on. As you can see, the market is moving a series of markets all the way from here, push price to the upper part, then it should test. Once it retests, can't you see it tests on there should be an order block right here. I'll show you how to identify your order block and your fair value gap. There should be another block right here, and you know your confirmations through here. You can go to your 50 if you are on your 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, and the market come back to your other block. If you're waiting for confirmations to take this trade, you have to go to your 15 minutes and look for your confirmation, so that you can also take your buy setup and you take your profit here. You look for also a retest. All that will show you on the chart. Okay, let's head on. Let's head on to the chart. As you can see, there is a breaker block here, but I did not take the trade on breaker block. let's go to our 1 week time frame. On our 1 week time frame, this is what I'm anticipating on Ethereum. Ethereum has to sell to come down back to my 1 week time frame, and from my 1 week time frame, I'm longing this market. I don't know how many months it might take, but once the market is here, I promise myself to take this trade to whenever it can trade. It might be that it's this trade that will get me whatever I want in life also, but we pray to God, because right here, this is a liquidity. This is my liquidity. As you can see, this is my order block right here. This is my order block at this particular zone right here where I mark out. Okay, so this is my order block. So what I'm anticipating in the market should come all the way down here, then boom, and then to the upper part. But we keep hoping till then. I'll update you guys whenever the trade reaches that zone, and I'll also wait for my confirmation before I take the trade. Okay, let's head on our daily time frame. As you can see right here, as you can see right here, these are break of structure. Then this was my other block. From here, this was my other block. I was anticipating the market to reach my other block, then then sell to the down upper. But as you can see, price did what? Price failed to reach there. Sorry guys, I don't want to confuse you guys, so I'm trying to do something. Yeah, as you can see, price failed to reach there. Price retested on a breaker block. That's on our higher time frame. Going down to our 4 hour time frame, you can see so much change which I have executed right here. As you can see right here, go higher high, the market retest, then it did what? It give me a break of structure. And when the market retest, the market was supposed to what? To buy till here. As you can see, that was where I put my TP. But I saw another block here. This other block right now, this other block made me to leave the market, because I do follow other blocks very much. I do follow other blocks where market will retest, what will make this market not to move. So instead of me to continue buying, I catch up a sell setup, as you can also see. As you can also see here, instead of me to keep buying the market all the way from here, then this was also a break of structure. Then this is my other block. This currently is my other block. And yeah, this was the other block I used to then execute the trade to the downer part. Then again, I also made a mistake, because the market has changed character, and this is my second order block again. This is also my other block. Then we should be selling from here, but I did not look that market on that through that perspective. I was also looking for a buy setup. Meanwhile, the market has changed character already. As you can see, bam, the market hits our TP. That was what we call CRT. That's what you're seeing right here. This one now is what I call CRT. I'll show you guys how I executed all this trade. This trade currently now, this one I just took right now, if I'll show you set for my MT5 as I executed this trade. Let's go right to my MT5. Let me show you guys. As you can see on my MT5, I've executed this trade and we are on profit. Whatever the outcome is, I'll let you guys know. Thank you.